so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Every week we come to you live with new updates, what's going on in the market, new programs, information about interest rates, products, whatever we can to get you the knowledge and the power, so that way you guys can make an informed decision. Today we're talking about our jumbo home loans that we offer. Jumbo home loan that we have, you go up to a $3 million home loan with only 10% down with no mortgage insurance. So we're super excited to be able to offer this. If you're somebody that's self-employed, you don't need tax returns or W-2s. You can buy the house just with your bank statement or your financial statement, and you can get pre-approved to purchase the home with as little as 10% down. So that's what we're going to be talking about today and focusing on. Again, we love private lending. We love non-QM. We love the DSCR. It's our favorite loan products. And this is what we specialize in as a direct lender. We fund these loans internally. We process them. We underwrite them. And so basically the way it works is you can buy a house for your primary residence up to 3 mil. We go up to 10 million for residential, and we have our super jumbo up to 50 million. But this particular program is a special one because you only need 10% down. And you don't need 20% down. You don't need 30% down. You don't need to pay mortgage insurance. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You need a bank statement. You need to have at least a 720 or higher credit score. Your debt ratio has to be under 45%. It does require that you have 12 months reserves on top of the 10%. You can get the closing cost assistance paid by the seller or roll those into the loan. But it has to be a single family home. It can be a townhome or a condo. That's fine too. But yeah, it's an awesome product. I mean, interest rates right now are starting at around probably 10% down, probably about 8% interest. If you put more down, the interest rate will go lower. But there is no mortgage insurance on these loans. They're very attractive. And like I said, you don't need a tax return. You don't need a W-2. You don't need a pay stub. You can qualify just with your 1099 or with a bank statement or a P&L, profit and loss. So you have many different options of what you can do for a jumbo mortgage. I know a lot of banks require 20 to 30% down, or you have to have 2 years of tax returns. We don't require that. So we have more creative out of the box type loans, and they're all 30. These are all 30-year fixed. They have no prepayment penalty. Usually takes about a week or so to qualify you and approve you for the loan. These loans take about 4 or 5 weeks to close. So it's a phenomenal product. And we're very happy and excited to be able to offer this to you guys out there if you're looking to get pre-approved for the super jumbo. If you already own the property and you want to refinance, you can also do that too and pull cash out. If you have a property that you already have that's valued at 3, 4, 5 million, you want to pull some cash out, you can up to 80% of the value. So a lot of different ways on how we can help you out, regardless of your income situation. If you're trying to buy a property or refinance, so definitely think of us if we can help you with a super jumbo on the private no documentation loans. We offer them nationwide for primary residents, with the exception of the state of New York. If it's an investment property, we can lend New York or all across the nation. It's just New York is the only state we can't lend in for primary residence. So yeah, please reach out. You can also click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost to enroll. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. And then you can click on the link, or you can call or text our office, 832-431-633, and whatever works for you, whatever's better. So I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, enable notifications, share this information with anyone you know that'll get value from the channel. Like that bell. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the channel with Angelo Christian. We'll be back again next week. Take care. Peace out. Thank you. Bye-bye.